have to implement, CRUD operations for articles table, which stores, details of the article, which is an ID, date it was created in a database. Typically writing CRUD operations is a monotonous task. So let me actually use Bito to help me out here. I'm saying generate node.js code for REST APIs to provide CRUD operations for articles DB, wherein we have an articles table describing the table out here: ID, title, create date, and is auto incremented, and then create date is when the article was created. Okay, let me give it a try and see how it goes. Wow, cool. There you go. I have the code to get started. You just need to copy it, paste. And if I need to make any modifications, I can make in this code, build it, and get started. So rather than typing all of this, it was fairly quick using Bito. Thanks.